Today we are starting the theory part 4 practice set 1.3 of geometry. Test for similarity of triangles. In making triangles similar, there are different tests. First one is AAA test, triple A test. It says like this: for a given one-to-one correspondence between the vertices of two triangles. This is common to all four tests. For a given one-to-one correspondence between the vertices of two triangles. This you have to write in all the tests. For a given one-to-one correspondence between the vertices of two triangles. Now the things are changing. If corresponding angles are congruent, means corresponding all three angles are congruent, then the triangles are similar. That is by AAA test, triple A test. The correspondence given here, suppose ABC corresponds to PQR. Triangle ABC, triangle PQR. These are two triangles. The correspondence given is ABC corresponds to PQR. If angle A congruent to angle P, angle A congruent to angle P, second angle B congruent to angle Q, suppose this is like this denoted, second one here these are congruent, the third one angle C congruent to angle R, angle C congruent to angle R. See, angle A congruent to angle P, angle B congruent to angle Q, angle C congruent to angle R. Then the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by triple A test, AAA test. This is the first test for similarity. Proof is not required now. Here we have to use it in doing problems. You should be familiar. Second test, AA test, double A test. For a given same thing, for a given one-to-one correspondence between the vertices of two triangles, now things changes. If two angles of one triangle are respectively congruent to, angles congruent. If two angles of one triangle are respectively congruent to corresponding two angles of the other triangle, we consider two triangles out of that second triangle now. First triangle's two angles are congruent to second triangle's two angles. Then the triangles are similar by AA test. Here triangle ABC, triangle PQR. Correspondence is ABC corresponds to PQR. This is a given one-to-one correspondence between their vertices. Now, if angle B congruent to angle Q, second angle C congruent to second angle R here. Only two angles are congruent, we are telling. Automatically third will be congruent. That is hidden. Then triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR by AA test. This is triple A test first one. This is double A test. Now the third one, SAS test. SAS test. S stands for side. A stands for angle. S stands for again side. SAS test. Again the statement is the same thing. For a given one-to-one correspondence between the vertices of two triangles, if two sides of a triangle are proportional, sides are proportional, angles are congruent, sides are proportional, sides are proportional, very important. These are the important things. For a given one-to-one correspondence between the vertices of two triangles, if two sides of one triangle are proportional, to the corresponding two sides of other triangle and the angles included by them. Included angle, very important. Angles included by them are congruent. Angles are congruent. Then the triangles are similar. What you're telling here? Two sides are proportionals. Included angles, not some other angle. Included angles. See the two sides, included angle here also. Sides are proportional. 2 times of this, 2 times of this. Then the included angles are also congruent. Then the triangles are similar. Here in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, for the given 1-1 correspondence ABC and PQR, if AB upon PQ, AB upon PQ is equal to same ratio, BC upon QR equal to 2 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 6, 1 by 2, and included angles B and Q are congruent, then the triangles are similar by SAS test. That's a third test we have to consider. The fourth and final one, SSS test. For a given 1-1 correspondence between the vertices of two triangles, everywhere we said the same thing. If all three sides of one triangle are proportional, sides are proportional. If all three sides of one triangle are proportional to the corresponding three sides of other triangle, then the triangles are similar. Here all three sides are proportional. First upon second, here first upon this first, second upon second, third upon third, like sides are proportional. Then the triangles are similar by SSS test. These are the theorems, theory part you have to remember in doing problems. Now practice set 1.3. We start doing problems. Here given in triangle ABC, one angle 75 degrees. Here another one is there. Triangle CDE, one angle is 75 degrees. Here, what is the question? In the figure, angle ABC 75 degrees, angle EDC also 75 degrees. Then we have to state which two triangles are similar. Here, which two triangles are similar? For that, which two triangles are similar means we consider like this. In triangle ABC and triangle EDC. Angle B congruent to angle D, each is 75 degrees, you know. You can give the reason. Each is 75 degrees. Then one angle you can see common, see this angle C. Angle C of triangle ABC. This angle C is of triangle ABC. This angle. Also this is a part of triangle EDC. So angle C congruent to angle C. We can say common angle. Common angle. Two angles are congruent. The triangles are similar by AA test. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle EDC. See here, angle B congruent to angle D. Angle C common. See, these are the two angles. We have to see that. Third vertex E, here it is A. Therefore, these triangles are similar by AA test, the first part gets over. Then they are also saying, also write the similarity of these two triangles. That's what we are writing. Triangle ABC similar to triangle EDC by AA test. They are telling which test. Triangles are similar. By which test? This is by AA test. This was question number 1. Now we do question number 2. Here, are the triangles in following figure similar? Here, two triangles are given. Triangle PQR and triangle LMN. Sides are given. We see in triangle PQR and triangle LMN, we find PQ upon LM. PQ is 6 given. LM is 3. What is the ratio? 3 cancels here. 2 by 1, which is 2. Second one, PQ. Now QR. See this one, QR. And here MN then. MN. QR is 8. MN is 4. Also 1, 4, 2 4s. 2 by 1, which is 2. The third also we find out like that. PR. Here it is LN. Here PR. Like this we can consider here LN. PR upon LN. How much is PR? PR is 10. And LN is 5. You also 1 5, 2 5s. 2 upon 1, which is 2. All these ratios stands for one and the same value. Therefore, PQ upon LM equal to QR upon MN equal to PR upon LN. All these three ratios are equal, means sides are proportional. This sign means it implies that. That means all three sides are proportional. Therefore, triangles are similar. Therefore, triangles are similar. Triangles are similar. We're asking questions. If they are similar, by which test? Triangle, we say triangle PQR similar to triangle LMN. By which test they are asking, here it is by SSS test. By SSS test. The triangles are similar. Okay. This is question number 1, 2. Now we do even questions. Now question number 4. Here given in triangle ABC, AP is perpendicular to BC. AP is perpendicular to BC. BQ is perpendicular to this AC. BQ perpendicular. Perpendicular means 90-degree angle. BQ perpendicular to side AC. Also given order of the points. B, P, C. Means point P is in between BC. Here point Q is in between AC, that is AQC. Order the points here, AQC. Then we have to prove that first triangle CPA, CPA similar to triangle CQB. See, in the question itself, answer is hidden. We can say the same thing here. In triangle, we start with a common angle. This is a common angle belonging to triangle APC, also BQC. So we start from the common angle in triangle, otherwise AP, CPA we consider. In triangle CPA, CPA and triangle CQB. In these two triangles, angle C is common. Angle C is congruent to angle C. Reason is what? It is common angle. Then we go for 90-degree angle. Angle CPA. Angle CPA is congruent to angle CQB. Starting from this to right angle. CQB. What is the reason here? Each is a right angle. Each is a right angle. Two angles are congruent. Therefore, triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB. By which test? By AA test. First, what we proved? Triangle CPA similar to triangle CQB. Triangle CPA similar to triangle CQB. By AA test we proved. Now they are saying if at all triangles are similar, their sides are proportional. That is CP upon CQ equal to the second side we can write here PA upon QB. The third one is what? CA upon CB. We got the sides. Now whatever given readings are there, we apply. Whichever is not that much only. AP is 7. Here AP is 7 upon BQ. BQ is 8 equal to CA. AC, that only we have to find out. Now we prove triangle CPA. Triangle CPA similar to triangle CQB. Therefore, the sides are proportional. CP upon CQ equal to PA upon BQ or QB equal to CA. Otherwise, AC. Here it is BC then. CA upon CB. If triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional. Then given AP is 7, BQ is 8, BC is 12. Then find AC. AC we have to find out, that is this 7 by 8 into this 12 equal to that AC. Here now we cancel. Simplification is there, you know. Here 2 4s are there, here 3 4s are there. 4 and 4 we cancel 2 times and here 3 times. Now numerator becomes 7 3 is 21. Upon this denominator 2 equal to AC. Therefore AC is equal to 21 upon 2, which is equal to 10.5. This is question number 4. Now practice it. It is easy. Only thing you have to recognize, this is angle common to both the triangles. Now we do question number 6. Question number 6. Given a trapezium ABCD. Trapezium ABCD. In a trapezium we know only one pair of sides are parallel. Only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Other two sides are not parallel. So a trapezium is a quadrilateral whose only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Here trapezium ABCD. ABCD. Here side AB parallel to side DC. See, side AB parallel to side CD or DC. Given side AB parallel to side DC. Diagonals AC and BD intersect in point O. Diagonals this BD and this AC intersect at this point O. Given AB is 20, this AB is given 20, we can write it. DC is 6, OB is 15, OB is 15, find what is OD. We write here AB is 120, DC is 6, OB is 15, we have to find out OD. This is what? So we have to focus on these two triangles now. We start. This is solving. So solution. In trapezium. In trapezium ABCD, AB parallel to DC. Second AB parallel to DC. This is given. Therefore, what happens? This is a transversal we can consider. Segment BD is a transversal. It is a transversal. So we can say these are one pair of alternate angles. Therefore, angle here COD. Otherwise, angle CDO is congruent to angle CDO. So correspondingly, ABO. But we can say alternate angles. Alternate angles are congruent, that we got. Now these vertical opposite angles we can say, or the other pair of alternate angles also we can say. Angle COD is congruent to COD. So AOB, angle AOB. What we can say now here? Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are congruent. Two angles congruent, we can say triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle C, what we took the order? CDO or COD. COD is similar to COD. So AOB, angle AOB by AA test. The triangles are similar. Triangles are similar by AA test. Therefore, whatever sides we know, we see CD we have CD, CD this way, CD, what is AB? is equal to OD, this one, OD, and here it is OB. Whatever we need, that much we write. Therefore, now CD is given, this CD is 6, this is given 6 upon AB. AB is 20 given. In the question it is given, we plotted in the problem or figure, and that we are making it. Now OD we don't know, we have to find out upon OB. OB is 15. Now we simplify here, 6 upon 20 into this 15 equal to that OD. Now we simplify, therefore this OD is equal to here 3 5 is 15, here 4 5 is 20, the 2 2s are 4, here 3 3s are 3 2s are, here 2 2s, here 3 2s, by 2 we cancel. Numerator becomes 3 into 3, 9 upon denominator 2, which is equal to 4.5. Length OD, we have to find out, this is 4.5 we are getting. What we did here, we see one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Therefore, we made these two are one pair of alternate angles. This is one pair of alternate angles we made. Then we took assistance of vertically opposite angles are congruent. Vertically opposite angles are congruent. Then we say two angles, these two angles are congruent. Therefore, these two triangles are similar. If the triangles are similar, then we can write their corresponding sides are proportional. If at all sides are proportional, the given values AB is 20, DC is 6, OB is 15. We substitute, and the only unknown OD that we find out 4.5. Now we do question number 8. This is 6 is over now. Pass on to question number 8. Now in question number 8, what are the given things? In the figure, segment AC and segment BD intersect each other in point P, and also given AP upon CP. AP upon CP equal to BP upon DP. We have to prove these two triangles are similar. It's very, very simple. Maybe it is 1 mark question. They say prove that. Therefore, proof. In triangle APB, otherwise the same thing, ABP, and triangle CDP. These two triangles we consider. Now what they are saying, first of all given one we make, AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. What is the reason here? Directly given. Look here, AP upon CP, these two sides, and here these sides upon these sides ratios, equal. So we consider these are vertically opposite angles. Angle APB is congruent to angle APB. So here CPD. What is the reason? Vertically opposite angles. Two sides are in proportion and angles included by them are congruent. triangles are similar by SAS test. Therefore, triangle APB is similar to triangle CPD by SAS test. That much only we have to prove. So the problem got over. Only 2 steps. Very simple. So also you practice now. Now the other problems are there. 1 I did, 3, 5, 7, 9. That is odd number problems. You please try as homework. Not getting, you can ask us in that doubts solving part. We can solve that also. For the time being, we stop. We continue with the next one tomorrow. All of you